because it's easy. We're going to be making Tex-mex cheeseburgers. It's like taco night, all wrapped up in a fried cheeseburger, and it's yummy. And the best part is that it has cheese in it. That's right, cheese in it. So come along, and I'll teach you how to make it. All right? Okay.
Today we are going to be making a very delicious Tex-mex Arepas-like bun and taco meat cheeseburger, or Tex-mex cheeseburger, or you could just call it a taco burger too. We're going to start with the bun. If you prefer an authentic arepa, use corn flour instead of the regular flour that I'm using. Start by putting a cup of flour to the side and add 1.5 cups flour and 1/2 cup cornstarch into a mixing bowl. Add 4 ounces of your favorite shredded cheese. Just make sure that it's a nice melty cheese, like I'm using mozzarella. You could use American or cheddar or something else if you wanted. Next, I'm mixing in 1.5 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Start kneading the dough and incorporating the flour. Add as much of the remaining cup of flour as you need until the dough kneads easy and holds together well. Next, we'll divide it into 4 equal parts. Take one of those parts, form into a disc, and put in 1 ounce of cheese in the middle. Take some time and form and pinch the edges together at the top. Form and rotate in your hands to make a patty, a little over 1/4 inch thick, about a finger's width. Melt butter in a pan. Then we're going to add the arepa buns. Put it on medium-high heat. We're going to cook about 6 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Don't be afraid to add a little bit more butter midway. Now that that's done, we'll put that to the side, and next we'll be making the burger patties. Feel free to cook the burgers any way that you want. Make sure to season well. I am using taco-like seasoning, cayenne pepper, chili powder, and paprika. Feel free to add onion, cilantro, or just use a taco seasoning pack. After the burger patties are cooked to your desire, doneness just the way you like, add cheese to those that like cheese on their cheeseburgers. I'm going to be using a Kojak Colby Jack cheese, white and yellow together. Feel free to use Asiago or a store brand Mexican cheese if you'd like. Next, we're going to cut the arepas open from the side like pita bread to make it like a taco. And just like a taco, we're going to fill it. Put the beef patty inside and then fill with your favorite burger toppings or taco fixings. I'm adding lettuce, tomato, taco sauce, and sour cream. And voila, a Tex-Mex taco burger.
Isn't that delicious? Thank you. Okay, subscribe and like the video. It helps with the algorithm. Okay? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.